Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of March 1st. So what will we be learning this week? We will finish up our psalm presentations and then have our award ceremony for the best psalm presentations in the 4 categories. And then after that, we're going to be introduced to a new tradition. So with orientation, disorientation, and new orientation, the 3 different traditions we looked at within the psalmody, we didn't spend any time thinking about historical context. So in the Ruth tradition that we'll look at this week, I will introduce the importance of historical context for understanding Scripture. And what we'll see is instead of perhaps a quaint love story, when we add the historical tradition, we'll see Ruth as a subversive story that challenges the dominant way of thinking at the time. So the psalm worksheet will be due when the psalm presentations are completed, so that will be on Monday or Tuesday. The psalm essay that accompanied your psalm presentation is due, and we're finishing up those psalm presentations on Monday. And then you will have a handout that we'll work on this week about the main themes in Ruth. So I look forward to seeing you all, and have a great week.